Get ready for an easy and delicious Copycat Panda Express Sweetfire chicken breast recipe. I'm Tess, and I will show you step by step how to make this spot-on Copycat Panda Express chicken stir fry. Stay tuned. If you check out my channel, you will see I have quite a few Copycat Panda Express recipes and more to come. Today I'm adding Panda Express Sweetfire chicken breasts. Simple ingredients and easy to make at home. Panda Express describes their Sweetfire chicken breast as crispy, white meat chicken, red bell peppers, onions, and pineapples in a bright and sweet chili sauce. So let's get started. Here I have one large boneless skinless chicken breast, which is around 1 pound. I cut the chicken into 3/4 to 1 inch pieces. You don't want to get the pieces too small. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. Giving that a good mix, and then I'm adding in 1 egg. This is an extra large egg, but if you have small eggs, use 2. Giving another good toss, covering, and letting that marinate for 15 to 20 minutes, and that's enough time to heat my oil and prep my vegetables. For the coating, I have 3/4 cups of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of flour. The cornstarch really helps to get the chicken crispy. Another layer of seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper, giving that a toss to incorporate. I'm dredging the chicken pieces in the coating mixture, making sure everything is thoroughly coated and shaking off any excess. I have my vegetable oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm frying the chicken in 2 batches so I don't overcrowd the pan. The chicken will take about 3 minutes to cook, and then I'm draining on a paper towel. The sauce is super simple, and you can find the ingredients at most grocery stores. I have 3/4 cups of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And I'm also adding in about 1 teaspoon of sambal chili garlic sauce for a little extra kick. And that's it, giving everything a good mix. Now we have everything ready, and let's put it all together. In my wok on medium-high heat, I add enough oil to coat the bottom and the sides. I have 1 cup of diced onions and red bell pepper. You want to try to keep everything similar sizes so they cook evenly. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. Adding in 3 cloves of minced garlic, cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in 2 cups of diced pineapple. I'm using fresh pineapple, and I happen to think it has the best flavor and texture in this recipe. The pineapple adds a nice sweet pop to this stir fry. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook the vegetables, you still want a little bite. Adding the fried chicken to the pan and pouring over the Sweetfire sauce. Giving everything a good toss, and we are ready to eat. It's that simple. Nice-sized chunks of crispy chicken, aromatic bites of onions and peppers, pops of sweetness from the pineapple, and that delicious spicy sweet sauce that brings it all together. Another great Copycat Panda Express meal that you can make at home. I hope you give this Copycat Sweetfire chicken breast recipe a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!